I'm Alex from StickShiftStudios, and today I'm hooking you up with an exclusive 10% off your purchase at supernovaleds.com. These bright LED lights update your car with a modern, clean, bright white look, and they're extremely bright and they're easy to install. Use my exclusive code StickShift10 to receive 10% off your complete order at supernovaleds.com. The link to the website is in the description and it will be on screen here as well. Transform your vehicle with interior and exterior lights for your car, truck, or SUV. Applications from LED turn signals to LED reverse lights, LED tail lights, interior dome lights that also have the option to change colors. And now I will start the install of the LEDs on my Corvette Z06. So this is the install of the Supernova LEDs license plate bulb. So I'm going to be installing the LEDs for the license plate bulbs, and there's two Torx 15 screws holding the license plate bulb assembly together. To get that unscrewed, the bulb has just enough clearance to slide out of the slot here and turn the assembly, pull it out, and here's the stock bulb. Pull that out. We'll install the new Supernova LED bulb into the socket. And to reinstall, put it into the large groove first, and then turn it, and then to reinstall, put it back up in position, start to screw it in, snug up one side, and just retighten it up, and that's all there is to it. So that's the install of the Supernova LED license plate bulbs. Please like and subscribe to StickShiftStudios for more Corvette content. Have a great day.